So yesterday we were unable to take our pictures, so we're going this morning before it rains because it's been raining all day. I'm here about to do my makeup inside because, as you saw, the lighting inside is like the whole suite is a whole mood, so it's not a lot of light. Makeup routine. I'm literally outside with my mirror trying to do my makeup. So this is going to be like super natural as always, because I do not like making makeup at all. Oh, here's my house. So when I'm on vacation, I like supernatural, can't tell I have makeup on my face. Well, period, supernatural, can't tell I have makeup on my face. So I love, and this is probably like something old that a lot of people don't use, but I love the Mary Kay CC cream. Bro, y'all, this is skin. But before I do that, so I just put on moisturizer. I put on moisturizer. I am about to put this powder on. After my moisturizer, and this just helps keep my makeup on like literally all day. I'm on vacation, so I don't have my full size makeup setting spray or my makeup primer, so I just buy cheap primers to bring with me that I could just put in my carry-on. So I just bought this real quick, like it's like 2 ounces or something like that, and then I just bought this real quick because it was about 2 ounces or something like that. So wait for that to dry. Y'all, I cannot believe that I'm married. I came to Mexico and eloped with my favorite person on the planet, and I couldn't be happier. I'm pretty sure y'all saw my vlog. If you haven't seen it, that means I'm putting it up after this. But yeah, so now my face is dry. I am gonna put on some primer. So I'm literally about to put my my dress from yesterday back on and take wedding pictures because I was not able to do that yesterday because the weather here has been so shitty. Concealer, I like to use the Born This Way concealer, and those are the people that's next to me. Do you hear them? Concealer, I like the ColourPop Deep Dark concealer. So I mean, freaking, what is it? Contour. And I am a cream contour girl. Okay, I feel like cream contour is so natural, and it just blends into your skin so good. Then I go in with the Fenty concealer. I hate, I'm not that girl. I'm not that girl that will sit for a very long time to do my makeup. I'm not her, she is not me. And my makeup comes out just fine. I got my Fenty bronzer. Photo Fix powder foundation, but I use their powder foundation as my under eye concealer. It like literally, it just blurs everything. So I am not a lash girl. I do not like to wear lashes. I feel like it be giving me, like, I just feel like I got shit in my face. I'm scratching my eyes every second. I feel like my eyes are watery, just itching. Like, I just cannot do lashes. So I'm a mascara girl. And right now, this is like my favorite mascara. Milk Cosmetics Primer and Waterproof mascara. So eyebrows. I am obsessed with the Anastasia eyebrow gel pomade thingy. And again, y'all, I ain't got time. I'm like, when it comes to makeup, it has to be the most simple thing on the planet for me. Like, one thing about me, I don't like going to the mall. So I hate to shop. I hate to like look for stuff. Like, I'm just impatient. I don't have time. I feel like when I have money, I'm gonna have somebody go shopping for me because I just can't do it. And I don't like spending too much time or too overdone makeup that covers your face. Like, I like to look like me. And yeah. Highlighter, Anastasia highlighter 2. Of my favorite nude lips is KKW's Nude 2. This is my travel one. I have like the bigger version at home. And then ColourPop has 2 colors that I love. They're like washed off of the things right now, but I think they're BFF 1 and 2. But today I'm gonna use the KKW. KKW, and I'm also using 90s Moment matte lipstick. But once I find my lip gloss, I'm gonna put my lip gloss on top of that. There it is. That is the look, y'all. But I found my lip gloss. Favorite lip combo. But yeah. That's it. This is round 2 in my dress. I just want to show you guys my little dress. The lighting in here sucks, but we weren't able to take our pictures yesterday. Ooh, let me get my bouquet. Hey, husband.
What's up, man?
This is my bouquet from yesterday. It's so pretty. I'm trying to find a way to get this back to the States with us because I spent a little coin on some flowers that I'm only have for a day. What's that? This is the whole vibe here.
Turban and all?
No, turban. You mean my scarf?
That thing, yeah.
No, my scarf is to hold my edges. But yeah, that's what we got. It's so gorgeous.